Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad. I'm going in this video to talk about Flutter assignment 1 is called CW1. I noticed a common problem that most of students encountered. So in this video, I have to focus on this problem and how to solve this problem. The problem is exactly, or before the problem, the task was, or the assignment is, it was two tasks there. The first one is counter. The second one is what? Is a switch the images, is a toggle, correct? So when you use online links for images through the code, you see in your emulator is working well. But when you generate the APK and I'm going to test it, it's not working at all. So let me take just students, random students code and show you where's the problem and focus on that and to solve it. I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, here's a code, students code. I want to copy it and I want to open a new project. View, common portal, new Flutter project, empty application, select, let me name it STU, like students, enter. Okay, I want to copy it and I'm going to view again to select my simulator or emulator. Okay, I want to run it. Just taking several time. Okay, to show you where is the problem exactly or what I'm talking about. Build output, debug application, connecting. Yeah. Okay, look at the application here. When I'm pressing on the button here, it's working well, correct? Toggle image is working well too. So where's the problem is? When you generate the APK, especially for students who use the online link images. Okay, so let me generate an APK. From view, I'm going to terminal. You can learn how you can generate the APK. You type here Flutter build APK release and hit enter. Okay, it takes several time to generate the APK. It's depend on your machine resources. Now it's generating. Okay, and I will show you where's the file. The file here in this path, correct? Build app outputs Flutter app and app release.apk. So I'm going desktop. Here is the better because I know where is it. Flutter new folder. STU build a app outputs Flutter APK here, right? Double click on it. So I want to test it as APK. And here what happened exactly with you. STU. So the first task working well, but the second one is not working at all. But we excused you because you are using the emulator for the Android emulator. We excused you, okay? Because there was working well. As you see here, it's working well. When I press, the image is what is changed, correct? There is toggle image. It's correct. But what the problem is? The problem is exactly you didn't give the application internet permission. That's mean the application trying to request and he need a response from a server to show us the images, but it's not happening because the Android system is by default prevent that. If there no permission, prevent that. Okay, So what you have to do, you have to create permission for internet to request the server images and to show, and the server responds to you and give you the images. How to do that? I will tell you how to do that. No problem. Here we go to the file to explore the file folders. So you have to ask yourself just one question. What operating system I'm going to develop application for? Is Windows, Android, iOS, Linux, Mac? Which one? Professor, he mentioned Android, correct? Dr. Ruiz, he mentioned you to create Android project. So we have to go to Android folder. In Android folder here, we see another folder is called app. We're going to app. We press on the source. You see folder is called main. You press on the main. You see folder is you see file here is very important one. You will see it in your development life with a Flutter a lot. You will be here a lot. And YAML file too. Okay, so AndroidManifest.xml. It's a similar, not the same. It's a similar HTML, but not the same. You're going inside application. You see application here in the top or in the bottom, where you want. You type a permission. You open the tag and you type here uses dash permission. Okay. Android name equal double quotation, close the tag. Correct. Here you type Android dot permission dot internet. That's it. And you save the file and go into your project, and you going to terminal, and you type here again Flutter build APK release and hit enter. It's going to generate a new one, right? Here's a new one. Let me just remove it and install this one. We're going again. This is the new one, correct? Double click here. I want to test it. So this is work well, right? What the advantage of that? What the benefits? You give the application a permission, especially when you want in the future work on the project. You have to use sometimes API. The API is still links, still servers, the internet connection. How you can connect to the internet if you didn't do that? On your simulator will work well, but in the real application will not work. So I hope this video is give you like a solution and to think how to solve the problem in the future and the next assignment. And in this video, you learned how to give permission, okay, internet permission for your application, especially Android application, and how to generate an APK file, okay? So if you need any assistant or you need any help, please reach us out and feel free to ask any question. Thank you.